Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here for Spring is in the Air Console Table Refresh. This open collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all participating channels. They'll all be listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am so excited to be part of this collaboration today. I'm going to be decorating the console table in my dining room. I'm going to start out with this cake stand as my centerpiece. I recently made this in a video with a bowl and plate from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put these together and make something very nice for my spring buffet. I'm going to start by turning over the big plate. I'll just turn the bowl over and hold it in my hand. And then I'm going to take my E6000 glue and I'm just going to go around with a nice big bead of the glue. Then I'm going to turn it over and do my very best to get this as centered as possible. And I'll leave it for 48 to 74 hours. I'm going to add these super cute little bunny cupcakes that I just recently purchased from Home Goods. Next, I'll add some beautiful flowers on each side. I have this really pretty egg that I bought at the Dollar Tree. It has coordinating colors. And I'll add this super cute bunny that's from the Dollar Tree as well. I have one more thing to add. I'll add this cozy, beautiful spring plate that matches the cake stand that I just made. And here's how my console table turned out. Thank you so much to everyone that participated in this collaboration. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out all of the other participants. They'll all be listed below. I'll see you next time.